This is the Yocada 18-inch push broom for commercial use. I use it for my backyard. Also has a grip area, which is where the yellow material is. You can see what a mess that the pine trees above my yard made on my patio. So I am quickly sweeping up the debris. You can see that you can use it as a push broom, or you can also sweep it up by pulling it towards you. Both work what I find to be equally easy. It's nice that it's so wide, so you can get a larger area at once. The only thing I would say is that it can be challenging if you are going to the sides of a wall or in smaller cracks, because it doesn't get to those areas. It can be easily assembled and disassembled with the screw joints, as well as you can make it different heights by removing the screw joints. One other nice feature is that it has a little hang loop if you like hanging your brooms and brushes out in your garage or closet.